on time, draws for your lead, right in second, Nurture Nature, racing in third is Big Brown. Running on the outside, Kaharian, then in between runners comes Main Course, Sunny Spats, as they race towards the half-mile pole. A solo leader, always on time, enjoying a 4 lengths lead. Running in second, Nurture Nature, Big Brown is racing in third, then followed by Kaharian as they round towards the 450. Is still a solo leader, always on time, maintaining a 4 lengths lead over Nurture Nature. Big Brown moving up on the outside as they race for home with always on time, still leading the field over Nurture Nature in second. Then on the outside is Big Brown. And down the stretch and leading the finish line, it's still always on time. Running on the outside is Just Gorgeous, but always on time for the good to win the race. Second, close between Belly Bubble and Just Gorgeous. Big Brown, then comes Main Course and Spots Kaharian.